Hi, I'm Greg, and you're watching the snow cataclysm of 2025 here in Cincinnati, Ohio. I thought it was February 16th, but it's hard to tell. Still winter. Since it's Cincinnati, we might have a heat wave later on, but at this point I don't know what to say. Looking pretty rough. Now this is about 13 miles an hour coming down the hill, down this residence. There's a clubhouse, big selling point for the condos. I don't think you can get a good appreciation of just how hard it's coming down. I've seen snow like this with the lake effect before. Kind of cool. It's almost like driving blind. But it looks like they got the streets squared away. Serious overpass situations. This is a 2025 Mercedes Benz GLC 300. Super comfortable, all-wheel drive 4MATIC. Has pretty much all the amenities that you would like. Interesting. Super pretty, super scary. Well, I appreciate you guys. Again, my name is Greg, and I'm signing out.